Hello dear Leo, welcome back to my channel, and this is your July 1st week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. In your professional life, you've got the 5 of Stars and the Fortitude. Let me just count and tell you the signs that are coming and popping out for you. Aquarius, Capricorn, Sagittarius. Yes, Aquarius, Capricorn is more prominent, and there's also a Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising. You can have in your own birth chart, or you're dealing with a person like that, whether in your professional or your personal life. I do see that maybe because of the past, some opportunities did not go through the way you were expecting them to. Maybe you applied for a job, you did not get in, applied for a university, higher studies, competitive exam, did not get in, or you wanted to sign a deal, business deal, did not get through, right? Which has made you very sad and hurt. Like you are in a very painful energy right now. This is the card of fortitude, which talks about strength. You need to be strong, right? Just because you did not get selected doesn't mean your life is over. So please be strong. Please be courageous enough to ask for help. This card talks about asking for help, seeking help, right? If you ask the right questions, you'll get the answers. If you ask for help, you will get it. Okay? So please make sure that this week, if you think that you're not able to clear an exam, take the coaching. You need that. If you're not able to find a job, ask somebody for that job, right? There will be people around you who are at a good position who can help you get that job. You must be thinking that no, how can I ask for a job because you have your own ego, or because you're shy, or because you're scared, or you feel uncomfortable. But this is the time to show the courage. If you're going to go back into your shell, if you're going to give up, then no opportunity is going to show up for you. So that is why show a little courage. I know it's not always easy to ask for help, but this week it's going to do wonders for you. The opportunities will present it to you. The business deals, if you don't know anything, any skill in business, please ask for help. This goes for everyone who's studying, everyone who has a job or business. This week is the time where some powerful person can help you. So, but you will have to come out of your comfort zone and ask for help. If you don't, that help you will never get. Okay, so please make sure that you're asking for help instead of giving up. Giving up is not an option for you this week. And this week, you will be moving forward with full force. You will automatically see how quickly your life changes, and you'll be like, oh my God, why did I not do this before? Okay, let's see what's happening in your personal life now. You've got the Six of Stars and the Hermit card. Some good news is coming your way, some proposal is coming your way, some offer is coming your way, maybe somebody is coming back into your life also, or a new person is coming your way. But thankfully you are going in your hermit mode, which means that uh, you are not relying on other people for your personal life decisions, right? You're not relying blindly. You're weighing the pros and cons of the situation. If that's a marriage proposal, you're making sure that this is ticking all your boxes. This person is matching your expectations. If not, you will not say yes to them, is what I'm seeing. This is also a card of caution that every proposal that comes your way is not going to be good enough, right? Or is not going to be honest enough. Even if the person is saying, I'm good or I earn so much, you will have to do your own background check about them. This is a card of caution, so please make a very wise and careful decision when it comes to your personal life, because there are mixed proposals that you're getting. Some good people, some bad people, right? So you have to make sure that you are making the right choice. You are relying your intuition, no matter what other people are saying. Even if your family likes the boy, right? But you don't like it. Your intuition says that something is off, that he is, you know, pretending to be someone he's not. Then probably you are right. So please make sure that you are taking a wise decision and carefully making a choice and relying on your intuition, the vibe, the energy that you get from a person, rather than blindly seeing what's on the papers, right? So yes, if you're going to be careful, probably you can make a very good choice in your love life. And if you think you're already married, I do see that some sort of truth will be coming out your way, right? Somebody must have been hiding something or lying to you in the past, and a truth will come out this week which is going to change or impact your decisions or future decisions a lot. Like probably you trusted somebody who said that ABC is wrong, but eventually you get to know that that person was lying. Now obviously you will not believe that ABC was wrong, right? So that has changed your decision, your mindset, your perspective. So some sort of truth is coming your way. It's important that you stay away from the noise, spend some time in isolation, meditate maybe. You'll automatically get a lot of answers, a lot of clarity when it comes to your personal life. So please make sure that you're doing that. You're not listening to the noise and you're finding your own answers, your own solutions. It is a good week if I overall look at it, because some sort of truth will come. You will make some really wise choices and decisions. You'll also be strong enough, courageous enough to ask for help, and your life will automatically change for the better. So good week, I would say. Just be strong. Okay, just be courageous and listen to yourself. Okay, so good week for you guys. If you would like to claim this energy, please comment, I claim this energy, I manifest this energy, so that it reaches you faster. And if this reading resonated with you, please do like, share and subscribe my channel, so that you can get your reading on time. You can get the notifications. I think I spoke too fast. Yes, and this was a general reading. So if you would like to book your own personal reading, you can email me or DM me. My email ID and my DM Instagram handle is mentioned in my description box. It's the Moksha Tarot, and email ID is astha@842@gmail.com. I have a lot of packages, no contact readings, love readings, and spiritual counseling sessions and rituals available with me. If you would like to know about the prices, you can DM or email me, or otherwise you can follow me on Instagram. On my Instagram, I post the daily on a daily basis or alternate days what are the prices of every service, the prices which are budgeted or the prices which are on the higher side. There are prices which are on the lower side, so you can choose what suits your budget. And yes, this was all about your week, upcoming week, which looks good. So please follow the guidance and instructions so that it helps you in reaching your goals faster. Take care of yourself, and I'm going to see you very, very soon. Bye bye.